Hey, what's happening, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your iPhone. Now, what a tool the screen recorder is. You record yourself doing your videos, your presentations, pictures, who knows what you got to do. But what a tool you got when you use a screen record. Now, to find the screen record, what you do is you pull down the menu and the options, the circle there. Once you press it, you have a 3-second head start to prep yourself, then the screen records. Once I finish this video, as you'll see, I'll press it and it'll end the screen recording session. Now on your iPhone originally, you may not have this option, so how does one find it? The key is you go to settings, find the control center, and from here, you could add options to your pull down menu. These are the ones I don't have there, but screen record, I had to pull up into there. Once you go back, you'll find it here, and you can start screen recording. Be sure to turn the mic on if you're going to speak like I'm doing right now. If you want the volume audio from whatever video you're recording, turn off the mic. If you have any questions about screen recording, just let me know. Put them in the comment section, and I got you. As I close this, I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.